Hey guys! So I'm stepping out of the box a little bit today, and I'm going to show you not one, but two different ways to do a crown braid or a halo braid that are both beginner friendly. This is a super cute protective style that is so easy to do. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to need some hair ties, some tiny rubber bands, some bobby pins or hairpins, and some braiding hair of your choice. When you pick out your braid hair, you want to make sure it's long enough to wrap around your head to create the crown or halo braid effect. Keep in mind that when you buy the hair, what it looks like in the package will actually be shorter once you braid it and maybe fluff your braid a little bit or anything like that. So braid hair comes in various lengths, but this one that I'm showing you is 86 inches in length, and it's 43 inches when it's folded in half like you see here. So it's extremely long, but it's better for it to be too long instead of too short to fully wrap around your head. Alright, so I'm starting with my hair in a sleek low bun. I do have a tutorial on how I do this bun, so you can click up in the upper right corner of this video right now, or I'll also link it down below in the description bar so you can watch it later. You can do a side part like mine, or middle part, or no part at all. It's really up to you, but you just want to make sure you smooth your hair down into a low ponytail. I put my hair in a bun to keep my hair stretched and to keep it from curling up, so I'm just going to undo that bun right now. And then I'm going to grab my braid hair. This is one pack of hair and it's hella long like I mentioned earlier. Before I get started, I want to take off the yucky rubber band that the hair comes with and put a less damaging hair tie on there instead. So to do that, I split the hair right by the rubber band that's already on there. And then I grab one of my own hair ties and put it under the hair, and then grab both ends like this. And then I put one loop over the other, pull that bottom loop through and pull it tight. And then I just cut that other rubber band off, and now the hair is secure so that I still have control over it, and the hair tie will be less damaging when I tie this to my ponytail. Okay, so now I'm going to use that hair tie that I just attached and attach the braid hair to my own ponytail. And then I'm just going to split my ponytail into 3 sections, and I'm going to start braiding my natural hair and the braid hair together into one long regular braid. After all that long hair is braided, I just secure the end with a tiny rubber band like the ones I showed you in the beginning, and then I kind of pull at the braid and loosen it a little bit. This step is completely optional. You'll see later in the video when I do option number 2 that I don't even do this step. And now I'm just going to wrap the braid hair around my head and position the braid where I want it. Tuck the end under, and then secure the braid down with as many bobby pins or hairpins as I need. And that's it for option number 1 for my halo or crown braid. And here's the back. And now I'll show you how to do option number 2, which is my personal favorite. So I'm just going to keep my same ponytail that I was already working with before, but you do have the option to do 2 low ponytails or pigtails if you want, because we're actually going to do 2 braids this time. Alright, so I'm using that same pack of hair from earlier, but I'm going to split it in half this time since we're doing 2 braids. Then I'm going to secure each half with their own hair tie like I did earlier. I talked you through it the first time and I hope it made sense, but this time I'll just let you guys watch. Okay, so now I'm attaching both of the separated sections of braid hair to my ponytail. If you ended up doing 2 separate ponytails, you'll just attach one section of braid hair to each of your ponytails. Now I'm splitting my ponytail in half and clipping one half out of the way, and then I braid the other half all the way down like before and secure the end with a tiny rubber band. And then of course I do the same thing on the other half of hair that I clipped out of the way. Alright, so now I have 2 separate braids, and I'm going to start wrapping one of the braids around my head and pin it down with bobby pins. And then I'm grabbing the other braid and wrapping that around my head in the opposite direction of the first braid, pinning it in place as I go, and also making sure to tuck the ends of the braids so that you can't see them. Now I'm just adding more bobby pins to make sure the braids stay in place. And that's it for option number 2 of this style. And here's the back. So that's it, you guys. Those are 2 different beginner-friendly ways to create a halo or a crown braid. Which style did you like best? Option number 1 or option number 2? The second option is my personal favorite, but I love both of these styles. And the fact that they're both super cute and easy just makes it that much better. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.